You should allow up to 2 hours to complete the unpacking, modification, installation, testing of the Phono module, and repacking the CP-800. After removing the top cover, unplug the green, blue, and brown wires from the AC receptacle. Position the AC extractor tabs towards the back of the CP-800. Then slide the extractor around the AC receptacle and push it to liberate the AC receptacle. Now, with your thumb, push the back of the AC receptacle out of the back panel. Locate the 2 resistors that will be removed. Then, cut off and remove R203. Afterwards, cut the left side of R205. Now, due to limited access, your cutting tool may not fit. If this is the case, lift and move R205 back and forth until it breaks off the board. Please note that, once these resistors are removed, you will not be able to easily revert this input back to line level. Remove the black plastic plug adjacent to the AC receptacle. Then, inspect the inside portion of the hole. If there is no bare metal around the hole, scrape the surface to ensure a proper ground contact. Install the ground post and tighten the lock nut with a 5/16 nut driver. On the main board, remove the 3 screws where the phono board will be installed and keep them for later use. Now, install the 3 standoffs where the screws were removed. Before installing the phono board, you will have to make certain that you have previously set the phono board's configuration switches for the cartridge type and loading. Please consult the Phono Preamp Module setup instructions for details. Be aware that there will be no access to these switches once the board is installed. Insert the phono board at an angle to clear the chassis and digital audio board of the CP-800. Then, position the phono board so that both the screw holes and standoffs are aligned together. When pushing down on the phono board, you should feel the proper insertion of the multi-pin connector to the female receptacle on the board. With the screws you have previously saved, secure the phono board to the standoffs. Before reinstalling the AC receptacle, make sure that the label is facing upwards. Reinstall the AC wires. Starting from the left, plug in the green, blue, and brown wires. Make sure that they are fully and properly seated. Reinstall the top cover using the top cover screws that you have previously set aside. Important note: the phono board is now exclusively hardwired to line 1 source selection and will remain so. You will be able to rename this input. Important warning: do not connect any line level source to this input. It is now reserved for phono application.